Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the screen on an Asus U52F. First of all, you're going to have to remove the screws from these two sides. All you have to do is tilt it up like this, and the screws would be at these two corners right here. Now there are going to be rubber things here, but you have to remove them. It's really easy, just use your fingernails. So all you need for this screen change is a small screwdriver Phillips head like this. First you remove the screws. Be sure to keep your screws in a safe place where you won't lose them. Oh, not done yet. After you've done this, next you have to pop off the frame. Easily go at the corners and slowly work your way down, popping off the tabs, slowly one by one. After you've taken it off, it should look like this. Next, you're going to have to remove 4 screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. The screws at the top are smaller, so it's easier to differentiate the screws if you ever mix them up. Careful not to lose any of them. Now that you've taken the screws off, you have to take off the screen. You can hold it by these metal edges here, but you can hold it wherever you want. It's just the broken screen, if you don't mind. After you've taken it out, there should be this wire right here with some tape. I've removed the tape already that was at the top, but there's still tape here that you shouldn't take off. There's this yellow tape that was originally here, but I took it off already. So you'll see that on your laptop if you've never opened it before. So then this wire here, which is connected to the screen from the laptop, you would have to slowly and carefully remove. After you've removed it, remove this tape right here. First remove the yellow one. Then you could just toss your old screen away or recycle it wherever you want. And this screen's really messed up, so I'm just gonna throw it away. Next, you get your brand new screen that you can buy at almost any website that sells screens. Well, I bought mine from screencountry.com, which is really awesome because their prices are the best. Then you reconnect the wire just like before you disconnected it. Make sure to put it in real nice and snug. Wait. Slowly push it in. And then you just tape this back on so the wire isn't loose. After that, all you have to do is nail back your screen to the hinges. Just place the screen where it was before. Whoops, I need to fix my wire. And then you simply just screw your screws back on. Remember that the big screws are at the bottom and the little screws are at the top. While I'm screwing it in, I'm going to test it. As you can see, it works perfectly, as a new screen should. And you just simply screw all the screws back on and invert your actions, reverse your actions. Oop. I seem to have dropped the screw. You don't want to do that, what I just did. It's a real pain to get it out. Yeah, you get the idea. After you screw the screw back on, all you have to do is put the frame back on and screw the two bottom screws, and it's good as new. Yeah, so I wish you luck in your screen replacement. Bye.